Hi guys, it's me again, Danica, and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I just wanted to share with you my liquid foundation collection since I've been getting some questions throughout the years kung ano yung mga brands na ginagamit ko. So if you're interested to know all about that, then keep on watching, and if you happen to like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So without further ado, let's get started. Ayan, so for my foundations, I have two kinds. Meron akong high-end makeup and meron din akong drugstore makeup. Yung high-end makeup, ginagamit ko lang talaga siya if I have special event or like this YouTube channel kasi kailangan talaga ng full coverage. So whenever I'm filming, I always use my high-end makeup. And for my drugstore makeup, ginagamit ko lang siya for everyday use or like if I'm going to school or work, then ginagamit ko yung drugstore makeup ko. So, unahin muna natin yung drugstore makeup. I have 3 drugstore makeups here. Unahin ko muna yung favorite ko. This one is from Body Shop. Body Shop. I am in the shade Hawaii Macadamia. Yeah, Hawaii Macadamia. So, ginamit ko talaga to for 4 years. I swear. Kasi sobrang, oh my God, favorite ko to. Ito yung holy grail ko pagdating sa medium coverage. Talagang walang hulas. At saka hindi siya ganun kakapal tignan. Parang second skin lang siya. Hindi siya ganun ka-matte, hindi rin siya ganun ka-oily. So this one is really good for me. Hindi ako nagbe-break out at saka very even yung coverage niya. Ito nga actually, sabi medium coverage siya, pero I don't know, pero parang medyo full coverage siya for me kasi I have sunspots here pero nako-cover niya. So this one is really good for me and talagang favorite ko to. So this one is a staple on my collection. So hindi talaga to pwedeng mawala. I have 4 bottles. Bumili ako ng actually 5 plus this. I have 5 bottles kasi nga expected ko gagamitin ko siya araw-araw, but since pandemic, so you know, hindi ko siya nagamit. So nakatenga lang siya dyan. So for next one naman is the Loreal Infallible. I don't know, sobrang sikat nito ngayon, or I think lumabas na to mga a few years back, maybe a year or 2 years ago. Pero ang dami kong nakikitang reviews recently sa mga Filipino YouTubers and si Heart Evangelista, ina-advertise niya to. So I thought na, might as well try it kasi Heart Evangelista, fan niyo po ako. So pansinin niyo ako. So ganun. And so, na-try ko na to one time. And masyado siyang matte for me. Kasi summer ngayon, so I tried it. I don't know, hindi ko siya ganong feel. Kasi masyado siyang matte. Ayun. And ang lakas niyang makatanda ng makeup. At saka kasi, hindi ako, yung skin ko kasi, combination siya ng normal to dry skin. Ayun. Like, this is kind of a no for me. Though ginagamit ko siya minsan kapag gusto ko lang try on ng new look or kapag gusto ko lang mag-eyeshadow and stuff, ginagamit ko to. Pero I wouldn't really use it this much just because it's too drying for me. So next naman is from Maybelline. This is their Fit Me. I am in the shade 220 Natural Beige. Actually, sobrang ganda nito. Favorite ko to. This one is the first and then this one. Actually, medyo tie silang dalawa. This is the Body Shop pala. Body Shop at saka itong Maybelline tie. Ito, sobrang ganda ng coverage. Full coverage siya. At saka, parang ito lang yata yung drugstore na liquid foundation na sumakto talaga sa shade ko. Ang dami kasi nitong, ang dami ng shades to choose from, which I think is really great. And hindi siya drying sa face. Hindi rin siya ganun ka-oily, which is, I find it really nice. Kasi parang hydrating lang siya sa face mo. Actually, I would compare this one with my Nars. Sa totoo lang, yung pagiging hydrating and coverage niya, this is really good. Fit Me. Ano bang masasabi ko dito? And also, this one is full coverage. Like, kung maglalagay ako sa kabilang face ko nito with this foundation, grabe. Ang ganda. Yun lang masasabi ko. Talagang may even out niya yung mga veins mo, yung redness, yung hyperpigmentation, yung mga dark spots mo, as in like erase. So this one of my favorites. So, dumako naman tayo sa Highend. Actually, MAC, Highend ba to? Hindi ko alam kung high-end ang MAC, pero parang nasa mid-range siya. Pero sige, isama na natin siya sa high-end kasi medyo mahal siya. So this one I have MAC. Hindi ko gusto yung isa nila, yung Studio Fix ba yun? Basta yung studio nila, yung isa. Kasi sobrang oily. So I'm like, the fuck? Ayoko na, hindi na ako bibili ng any MAC liquid foundation. But when I went there, sabi ko, okay, sige, let me try with MAC again. So, they recommended me this one. Actually, para siyang, ito naman, like, matte din talaga to kung MAC. Kung flaky yung face mo, kung hindi ka nag-moisturize and stuff, pangit yung kakalabasin nito. But, if you infuse this one with oil, ay, ang ganda, life-changing talaga. I would say, I could use this sa beach. Kasi, syempre, pag beach, syempre, di ba, mainit. So, madali tayong mag-oily. Gagamitin ko to pag nag-beach ako. Kasi, wala siyang hulas talaga. As in, hindi siya mag-melt sa face mo. I tried this one. I think, last year. I tried this one last year. This is my second bottle. So, don't worry, hindi to expired. So, this is my second bottle. Trinay ko siya during kasagsagan ng init dito sa Toronto. I think it was like 32 degrees or something. So, trinay ko siya, or wala. As in, like, plakado. Naglagay ako ng face oil with this kasi nga, too matte siya for me. So, trinay ko lang. Besh. Ang ganda. Talaga. As in, walang nangyari, walang crack, walang anything. So, ayun. Pero, you just have to make sure na dapat color match kayo para maganda yung kalabasan. So, yes, this one. Use this for whenever you're going to the beach. Really, really good. And also, this is lightweight. I have last. Hindi ko alam paano sila i-rate. Kasi sa totoo lang, favorite ko tong tatlong to. Grabe. Paano ko ba i-rate to? Okay, so just to give you a background, mas gusto ko kasi yung mga medyo hydrating na foundation. Dati kasi nung nasa Pilipinas ako, more on matte. Kasi di ba ang init sa Pinas? But when I moved here, syempre malamig. Ang pangit tignan ng matte. Kasi nafa-flat yung face mo, walang dimension. At saka syempre, malamig. So, ang bilis mag-dry ng face. So, nagpi-flake yung makeup. So, hindi siya maganda. So, when I moved here, mas prefer ko yung mga hydrating. So, if you're like me, gusto mo yung medyo hydrating or glowy or dewy. So, this is really good for you. I have here Estee Lauder. Isa-isahin ko ito mamaya. I have here Estee Lauder. I have the Nars. Wait. I have Nars. And Fenty. So, pag-usapan muna natin tong dalawa kasi medyo same sila ng formula. So, these two, it has soft matte finish. This one is 30 ml. I am in the shade Rattan in Estee Lauder. And in Fenty naman, ano ba ako? Hindi ko alam. Ano ba to? 235. I'm in the shade 235. May name to pero hindi ko na matandaan kung ano. So, soft matte finish siya. So, this one is good for summer. This too is really good for you. Medyo pricey lang to. This one, I think, would cost you like 3,500 or 4,000. I'm not sure. But in Canadian, this is about $80. And this one, I think, mga nasa $60 plus tax. So, hindi ko alam kung magkano to sa Pilipinas. So, just search it on Sephora Philippines. So, I'm pretty sure they have it there. So, if you guys wanna try it, then please try it. So, So for the coverage, pareho silang full coverage and long wearing. Ang kiniklaim ng Estee Lauder is non-transferable. Ano ba yun? Basta, hindi siya matatransfer yung color ng makeup sa damit or something. I haven't really tried it. I haven't really tried that kung hindi nga pa talaga siya natatransfer. Pero kasi, pag nilagay ko talaga siya sa face ko, as in, doon na siya. Like, plakado talaga to. Kung gusto niyo talaga ng long wearing, Estee Lauder. Estee Lauder is long wearing. Tapos, ang effect niya sa face ko, alam niyo yung parang kang nakasuot ng mask na sobrang talagang like, oh, okay, naka-makeup ka. Ganon yung look niya. Hindi siya yung kagaya ng mga lightweight. So, if you're into that lightweight, then hindi ko isasuggest yung Estee Lauder. But if you're into that, then this one is really good. And what else can I say? Ayun. Downside is, ang hirap niyang alisin pag maghugas na kayo ng face. Kasi, long wearing, ba diba? So, ayun lang. So, for Fenty naman. So, for Fenty, medyo pareho nga sila ng formula ng Estee Lauder. Medyo mas mura lang siya ng konti sa Estee Lauder. And this one is also soft matte. So, ang paglalagay ng mga soft matte foundation, dapat mabilis or dapat wet yung sponge na gagamitin nyo kasi nagsi-self-set siya. So, kung nilagay mo siya dito, kunwari, idinab mo yung foundation lang sa mukha mo, and then you just let it sit there, mahihirapan ka ng i-blend. So, dapat kapag gagamit kayo ng mga ganito klaseng products, yung mga soft matte na high-end, dapat talagang mabilis yung pagkalat ng product mo. And, hindi nga lang siya din ganun ka-blendable kapag nahayaan nyo na siyang maiset sa face nyo. So, I would suggest to use a damp sponge para lang magkaroon siya ng konting blendability, unlike ng sa Nars. So, we are going to talk about this one. This one. This is my favorite. So, among my high-end liquid foundation, Nars is my favorite. Just because it's hydrating, long wearing, and it's Nars. I love Nars. Ang dami kong products ng Nars, and this one is my favorite. And if you're like me na gusto nga ng hydrating, ng medyo glowy or parang natural looking pero full coverage, Nars is really good for you. Medyo mahal lang siya ng konti. I think parang magka-price sila ng Fenty or baka mas mahal lang to ng konti. So, if you are really into medyo natural looking pero full coverage, use Nars. So, that's it. Let me know in the comments down below kung ano yung mga products or foundations na na-try nyo na and kung ano yung mga feedbacks nyo rin, and if you have any recommendations, comment nyo lang din down below. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!